Hey everyone, today we're unboxing and setting up the Predator 3500 watt inverter generator from Harbor Freight. This unit is super popular for RVs, tailgates, camping, and even backup power at home. Let's open it up, walk through the key features, and get it prepped for first use. Out of the box, the 3500 watt inverter generator is compact and clean. No major assembly is needed. The wheels are already installed and the handles are built in. That's a big win right off the bat. We've also got the owner's manual, toolkit, battery charging cable, 30 amp adapter, and a funnel. Before you can start it, you do need to connect the included battery. It comes zip tied in place inside the generator. Just snip the tie, slide the battery out, connect the terminals, and slide it back in. Let's look at the features of this inverter generator. 3,500 starting watts, 3,000 running watts. Inverter power, safe for laptops, phones, and sensitive electronics. Electronic push-button start, LED digital display, parallel ports to double your power, multiple outlets, 120 volt 20 amp duplex, 120 volt 30 amp RV outlet, and USB ports. Built-in handles and wheels for easy mobility. Now let's do some Votex upgrades that will help keep your engine running smoothly for years to come. First, we're replacing the factory drain plug with a Votex Magnetic Drain Plug. This is especially important before your first startup, since the break-in period is when the engine sheds the most metal. The Votex plug uses a rare earth neodymium magnet, one of the strongest types available, and it's high temp rated, so it holds on to metal particles even when your engine is running hot. That helps prolong engine life by pulling medical debris out of circulation, something your generator desperately needs because there's no oil filter in these units. Now we'll upgrade the stock dipstick with a Votex magnetic dipstick. This is a super easy swap. It's made from stainless steel, uses a flat O-ring for a better seal, and includes a magnetic tip to pull harmful particles from your oil. It also has an Allen key head in case you over-tightened it on your last oil change. This generator doesn't come with oil, so you'll need 10W30 per the manual. You'll also need unleaded gasoline. Use the included funnel and take your time. We'll walk through the full oil change process in our separate video linked below. Once oil and fuel are in, you're ready to go. Turn the fuel valve on, flip the engine switch to run, and press the start button. You should be up and running in seconds. And that's your full unboxing and setup for the Predator 3500 watt inverter generator. Easy to move, easy to start, and with inverter power you can trust for electronics. If you're installing the Votex dipstick and/or magnetic drain plug, we've got links in the description. And be sure to check out our oil change video for this model. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.